Okay, ladies, this is the result of washing the bags in the washing machine. It came out wonderful. I can't believe it. There's still some spotting, but that's okay compared to the color that it was before we washed it. Looks great. That didn't have any problems in the washer. It is a little scratched up there, but everything came out wonderful. Very, very happy. Okay, and then we also did this Vera, and of course, they always come out beautiful. I have not flipped it back inside out yet, or back to the regular side, but beautiful. Colors are beautiful. And the other Coach bag came out great too. Loving it. So, I have a couple at home that I've actually purchased brand new. So I will also be giving those a wash and seeing how they do. Well, you can wash your Coaches. We did hang dry them. We didn't put them in the dryer or anything, but came out wonderful. Zippers are working great. Let me see if I can. See? Zippers are great. Perfect. Well, find a Coach in the thrift store and it's a bit dirty, throw her in the washer. Have a good one, ladies.